I haven't bought bread at the store all year. And once you see how easy this high protein lentil bread is, you won't eat. Soak red lentils and white lentils for 6 to 8 hours, then rinse well. After rinsing and soaking the mixture of red and white lentils for over 6 hours, bring them out and add them to a blender. As we move along, I'm going to put a list of ingredients on the screen, add them to the blender in order.
And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
After you're done blending, add the mixture to a pan. Once you are done adding the entire mixture to a pan, add the seeds that you're seeing on your screen.
Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, oh. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous.
Set your oven to 350 degree F and let it preheat. Set the timer of the oven to 55 minutes. Once the oven is preheated, add the pans with the mixture in the oven.
And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything?